Hi! In front of me is VIVO V20 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Android device. Start by going into Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Over here you need to type iOS Launcher and download this free app from this developer. Following that, open it. Then choose while using the app and tap on Allow. Finally, click Home button, select iOS Launcher, tap on Always and click Got it. As you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!